Hop on, we're going for a ride to NT Sheep's Digital Wonderlands. I am in the process of doing my first chain clean and relube. Yesterday I went and got myself a chain alignment tool to sit there and make sure everything was correct with the alignment, because these marks aren't quite matching up on both sides. And the alignment is pretty much near perfect, even though the marks don't match. When you use one of those chain alignment tools, you don't really have to go by the numbers there. It's a long metal rod that you make sure it's perfectly straight with your chain, and as long as you're straight there, you're good to go. So, I just got done spraying this with chain cleaner. I got this nice little thing here, jumbo can of it, so should last me for several chain cleanings. I've got a little thing of wax. That should last me a bit. So, it's been about a minute that this cleaner has been sitting, and they say that's how long you need to let it sit. So, we're going to take our scrub brush and start cleaning. Unfortunately, I don't have a way of setting this camera up on its own so I can film myself doing that, but I'm going to do some scrub-a-dubbing and then we'll come back and see how things look. Okay, so I just got finished scrubbing with the scrub brush, and I've given it another spray down with the chain cleaner. You can see how black the cleaner is from wiping off everything. I don't know what kind of oil / gear wax they were using before, but it was black and tacky, almost more like a Molly style of lithium grease, but it's coming off nice and easy. I'm going to sit there and give this another quick little scrub with the brush, and then we'll start wiping it off with the rag to really get everything off as much as possible. They say to rinse with cold water, but I don't have a hose next to me, and I don't have a little spray bottle with water or anything. So I'm just going to use a rag to try and dry everything off as much as possible and to get any little bits of dirt left. And then we're going to apply the chain lube. Okay, we've got the chain nice and shiny looking. I've got pretty much all of the cleaner wiped off. I put the rag up against the sprocket as I was turning the wheel, so the sprocket got a good wipe down on its outer edge. We are ready to apply chain lube. Okay, so it might be kind of hard to tell at the moment, but I did sit there and spray on the chain lube. Now, it says it's a chain wax, and what happens is it comes out as a liquid, and they say to wait about 15 minutes for it to set up. So, I'm going to sit there and wait 15 minutes and then come back out and check things. If it looks like it needs another spray down, I'll give it one. I sprayed it liberally, as they said. Down here you can kind of see where it's mixing with the chain cleaner, and you can already see that there's definitely a difference in color. It looks like it's starting to turn into a wax, but we're gonna sit there and come back out in 15 minutes and see how things are going. To clean my chain cleaning brush, I used Mechanics of Hand Cleaner. This is Joe's All-Purpose. It's a waterless hand cleaner. Contains lanolin, so it's good for the skin. And this stuff will easily pretty much melt grease and grime off your hands. It does work a little bit better if you use some warm water, but it got the bristles of the chain cleaning brush nice and clean, so That's a helpful little tip for you if you want to know how to clean your brush after you clean a dirty chain. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Let's see how things are looking. Hard to get the camera in a good spot to get a really good line on sight on the chain. Looks nice and shiny. Feels nice and waxy. Yeah, I can definitely feel there's a coating or something. I think I'm going to go ahead and give it one more little spray. You know, up here we can see where some of it's dripped down. Now that's some of the cleaner and the wax from earlier. I'm going to have to go through here and hit a couple of the other spots with the rag. Wipe all this off, but I'll give it another little spray, and I think we'll be going later on for a little test ride.